Hello friends, how are we? I hope everyone is doing okay today. What have I done with my day today? I got up this morning, I had coffee, I filmed a video. I didn't film a video, what am I talking about? I edited a video and uploaded a video, and then this afternoon I've just been pottering around the house, or should I say. Just cleaning, hoovering. I tidied my bedroom because it was a hot mess in there. I thought it would be a really nice idea to show you guys my kind of evening self-care routine in this video. I feel like my forehead is really shiny, can you see that? Obviously at the moment we're all in the house, and I think self-care more than ever is really important at the moment. It's definitely something that I love to do, and I think that it can really change your headspace as well. It can really change up your mood just from taking a couple of hours just to yourself, you know. So yeah, that is what I am doing for this video. And I thought that I would just film this vlog style because it's more chill. Usually whenever I do evening routines or nighttime routines, any kind of routine, I always just film them and then voice over them, but I thought that I would just do a little bit of both in this video and just chat as well, because I just think it's nicer, you know, it's more personal, so you know. I am also very excited to let you guys know that this video has been sponsored by my favourite natural deodorant brand, and that is Native. I don't think that I have mentioned on my channel yet that I did switch over to natural deodorant, and I am so glad that I did. I don't really know how to explain it. It just makes you feel so much better for using natural deodorant. And it's not just deodorant, I am also trying to, I'm kind of dabbling in clean beauty at the moment. Obviously all of my products are not clean beauty at the moment, but definitely when it comes to skincare and body care, I have pretty much switched everything over, which is really exciting. I am very happy that Native has sponsored this video because I've been using them for a while and I just love them so much. I did test out a couple of other natural deodorants before trying Native, and those ones didn't quite work for me, and then when I started using Native, that's when I found my one. So yeah, if any of you guys are thinking about switching over to natural deodorant, or if you have already but haven't quite found one that works for you, I highly recommend trying out Native. Their deodorant is super long wearing. I don't find that I have to keep reapplying it throughout the day, and it smells incredible as well. I currently have the coconut and vanilla scent, which is my favorite, and I do also use the, I think it's lavender and rose, and I love that one as well because that one smells like a spa and it's so relaxing. So of course, being a natural deodorant, it is also aluminium, sulfate and paraben free. It's also vegan and cruelty free, and the best bit, I also have a 33% off code that you guys can use as well. I will put all of the information about Native down below in the description box, but for now I am just gonna get started on my self-care routine for the evening. Pamper myself, take off my makeup. I'm gonna be feeling so good by the end of tonight. I'm gonna take this moment to appreciate how clean my office is right now, because I have been cleaning this room all week. It's immaculate and it's never been this clean and tidy. This is what my shelves currently look like. I do kind of want to add a few more bits and pieces to these shelves because I feel like they look very minimal at the moment. I feel like I need some hanging plants and stuff, but they are so nice and tidy. I even organized all of my drawers, like with my palettes in and everything, so I can find everything a little bit easier. It is honestly just so nice in here. I'm very close to this room being done, and then once it's done, once I've got all the stuff on the walls and everything is all finished, then I will do a final finished beauty room tour. So something that is really important in my own self-care routine is just to make sure that I'm drinking enough water and staying hydrated. I don't know about anyone else, but whenever I haven't been drinking a lot of water, I do notice a huge dip in my mood. So I always have a cup of water on the go. I am just about to start running my bath, and I'm going to take all this makeup off and throw my hair up in a bun. but I am just going to show you what I generally use in my bath. So let me show you. So this one is a little bit obvious, but of course I am a big Lush fan. I do have this cute little basket that I got from H&M Home, and I keep all of my Lush products in here. So in the bags, these are my bubble bars, and then I do just take the bath bombs out of the packet and I just throw them all in this little basket, just so I can see which ones I have, which ones I'm running low on, and which ones I need to stock up on. So I don't know what some of these are by heart, but I do really love the Twilight bath bomb, and I also really love the Comforter bath bomb and the bubble bar as well. If you can hear that noise, that was Stanley. He just let himself into the bathroom. Hi boy. I do also really love Dr. Teal's as well. Their whole range is incredible. So this is my favorite scent. This is the pink Himalayan scent. So I have the bubble bath, and then I also use the salt as well. This is like the bubbliest bubble bath ever. If you want a super bubbly bubble bath, this is what you need to use, because it's so good. So whilst I am waiting for my bath to run, this is where I will remove all of my makeup and just cleanse my skin. Obviously I'm not going to use any other skincare because we will be putting a face mask on, but it is nice to just remove all of that makeup. And this is a tip that Anthony actually gave me the idea for this, and it's to put a spa playlist on whilst you're in the bath, and I promise you it will have you feeling like a new person. It's so relaxing. Sometimes I do like to read whilst I'm in the bath. I'm not going to this evening because I'm just in the mood to have a nice, dark, peaceful bath. When you do have a spa playlist on, it is just so nice to lie there and listen to the music. And I do always like to pop on a face mask whilst I get in the bath as well. This just helps me relax and takes care of my skin. Hey friends, so I'm all clean. I bathed, I showered, I washed my hair, I shaved my legs. I just feel so good right now. I did have a shower because I realised when I was sat in the bath that I needed to wash my hair anyway, so I just had a quick rinse off, washed my hair, and now I feel amazing. I feel so relaxed. I feel like that Himalayan salt and the bubble bath combined with that spa music is just perfect. I literally feel like I've been in the spa. I feel so good. I'm like a baby dolphin right now. So what I need to do now is just brush through my hair and pop in a leave-in conditioner, and then I'm just going to let it air dry. I'm not going to bother styling my hair or anything like that, and I'm going to put my deodorant on, and I do also need to put on my body lotion as well. So I'm going to use this is the Kylie Skin Coconut Body Lotion. I really love this. I just love coconut scent. It just reminds me of like being on a beach. It just smells so good. I just love it. And then of course I'm also going to pop on my native deodorant as well. I love the formula of this deodorant because it's not too sticky, it lasts all day, and it just feels really nice on the skin. end this vlog and just relax for the rest of the evening. I'm going to make some tea. I'm going to make this everyday detox tea instead of just like regular builder's tea or English tea as they call it. I don't like to drink that too much at night because it has caffeine in it, so it kind of keeps me up. So this is just going to help me relax, and I'm probably going to play some Animal Crossing as well.
Hiding until everyone else was dead. Self-medicating ever since, which I applaud. Annie, Mags was his mentor, and basically